Hello and welcome to another MyMaths walkthrough. This is plotting graphs 2 lines, 1766. Right, now the important thing here is all points must fit on the axes this time. In plotting graphs 1, you could work out the points but they didn't have to fit on, and if they didn't fit on it wasn't the end of the world. This one's a little bit trickier because you've got to make sure they all fit. Alright, so we'll get to that in a second. Right, so let's read the equation. So y equals minus 2x minus 3. Minus 2x. So what does this mean? It means double the x number, make it a minus, and then take off 3 as well. Now you've got to be careful with all these minuses all over the place and not get confused with your negative number rules. So let's go. So when x is 0, let's check this one. So you've got 2 lots of nothing and nothing. Take away nothing, so minus nothing, which is nothing, and then take away 3 is just minus 3. When x is 1, so we've got 2 1s are 2. Minus 2, minus 2 take away 3 is minus 5, and that will fit on. So if I can put minus 5 in, that's good. Right, now let's say I put 2 here. So if I put 2 there now, so 2 2s are 4. I've got minus 4, take away 3 is minus 7. Now that doesn't fit on my axis, so I can't have 2 there, and obviously I can't have anything bigger. So I'm going to have to go down to negative numbers. So let's try minus 1, minus 1 maybe. So minus 1, so I've got 2 lots of 1, 2. A minus times a minus is a positive, so that's just number 2. And then number 2 take away 3 is minus 1, which fits on. So I'm happy with minus 1. And then, what do we say? So we said 2, positive 2, take away 3 is minus 1. I'm going to go for minus 2. Let's have a look at that one. So we've got 2 2s are 4, a minus times a minus is a positive, so we've got 4, take away 3 is 1, so that fits on. So let's go, we've got 0 and minus 3 is here, we've got 1 and minus 5 is down here, minus 1 and minus 1 is over here somewhere, minus 1 is there, and minus 2 plus 1 is going to be here. So that all fits, and now we can draw the graph. Very horrible because we've got negative numbers all over the place and you just got to be careful. So this is the graph of y equals minus 2x minus 3. Right, next question is just as bad. We've got to start with, it's not y equals something, so I need to rearrange this to get y equals something to start off with. So I'm going to take this minus 2y and just put it on the other side, so it's going to become plus 2y on the other side. So I'll have, hold on, underneath, 4x equals minus 6 plus 2y. I'll take this minus 6, put it on the other side by making it a positive number 6 on the other side. So I've got 4x plus 6 equals 2y. And then I'll divide everything by 2. So I divide everything by 2 to get rid of the 2 in front of the y. And then I'll have I'll have 2x plus 3 equals y, or just flip that round, I'll have y equals 2x plus 3. Y equals 2x plus 3 is the equation I'm going to go for. Okay. Right, so x values, y values, when x is 0, let's just check it fits. So 2 lots of nothings are nothing, plus 3 is 3, so that one's okay. When x is 1, I'm going to have 2 1s, 2 plus 3 is 5, so that's okay. If x was 2, I would have 2 2s are 4 plus 3 is 7. That's not okay because it doesn't fit on. So I'm going to go down to negatives again. So 2 times 1 is 2, but minus 2, and then add 3. Minus 2, add 3 is 1. And the last one I'll have is minus 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. I've got minus 4, and then add 3 is minus 1. So that fits on. 0, 3 is up here. 1, 5, 1 and 5 is up here, minus 1 and 1 is there, and minus 2 and minus 1 is there. So the equation, or the line in fact, goes this way around this time. So there's the line, and I'll put that on. So it's the line of minus y, 2y plus 4x equals minus 6. Very awkward because of all the minus signs flying all over the place, and I had to rearrange this thing, and I had to pick numbers here that actually fit on the equation this time, so this one is a bit tricky. Okay, be careful folks.